Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basket using newspaper. So let's see how to make it. Take a newspaper, cut them into many strips and then roll them to make paper tubes. Stick the end using glue. Make many paper tubes like that. Take a pencil and a paper tube and roll the paper tube using the pencil. Secure the paper tube using some glue. Add one more paper tube. Make many more small pieces and 2 big pieces for the bottom and top, adding 2 more extra paper tubes. Now stick them using hot glue. Take the big piece and shape it and then stick the small piece on top of it. Now we can paint our basket. I am using 3 colors: yellow, green and black. Now we can take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of glue and apply it on the basket. Our newspaper basket is ready. Now we can store anything in this basket. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.